going? It's Frank here, founder of Baby Beard Club. As you can tell, I'm a little flushed in the face. I just got out of the sauna, a nice cold, brisk shower. So we've had a lot of questions about beard care and things a person can do. And so we're working on a beard balm, because I know a lot of people like balm. I've never used a balm until we started making a beard balm. So what I've been doing is doing the old dig some out on my thumb there. And our balm, it's pretty buttery. It's got some cocoa and some different things in it. All natural, all organic product in it. But I just work it through my beard. You can tell we're a little bushy, a little fluffy here. So we get that beard butter, or beard balm, I guess I should say. As you can maybe hear the butter's for the kitchen. So we get that all worked through the beard. That's gonna keep the beard, man, nice and hydrated. Get down there to the skin. I know for me, my chin gets a little dry every now and then, so I'll get it all worked in there. You can see already it's starting to relax and moisten the hair. So I'll put this generally after a shower is when it seems to work best for me. And so that's the beard balm that we're coming up with, and man, it's good. It's got kind of all things, like an orange and a chocolate, a citrus orange. It's wonderful. I love it. It kind of reminds me of the original Tootsie Pop, if you ever loved those as a kid. And so the next thing I do is put on a little bit of beard oil, just a few drops after if I've done this. And generally I've done this at night, so I will use the Lights Out product. So that's the difference. The Lights Out, what this is designed for is to actually help you kind of calm down and relax at night, to help you go to sleep, have a restful sleep. Because that's what I noticed the first time I used it. It was just how well I slept. I actually had dreams. They were dry, but they were dreams. And so all of our oils, you know, whether you have a beard or not, can be used. Like this Lights Out, if you don't have a beard, you can simply just put a drop on your fingers and put it maybe behind your ears, or like on your collarbone, or a lot of times on your wrist is a good place, because the essential oils are absorbed in the skin through the wrist really well and into the bloodstream. And so the same thing, same token, get shit done. It's designed with oils to help you focus and concentrate and get shit done. Same thing, whether you have a beard or not, you can apply a few drops maybe on your wrist or behind your ear or so. I had a lot of people that maybe they don't have the facial forest that some of us do, and so they're wondering how much to use or how to apply it. So if you have a half-ounce bottle, what I tell people to do is just take the bottle, tip it over, and use the little bit of oil that's on your thumb. And so here's something else that our oils will do that nobody else's oils are going to do for you. So if you've heard of aromatherapy or the essential oils or using a diffuser, things like that. So when you go to use the oils, you always want to shake them up. The oils separate a little bit. And so you go in there and just a few drops. But here's what I do, and it's kind of an essential oil aromatherapy thing, is take the essential oils, the oil, just take a big deep breath and get the aromatherapy of that, and then just rub it through your facial forest. And again, that aromatherapy, the therapeutic effect from the essential oils, is going to diffuse right up into your mouth and nose, and you'll take in those essential oils along with having the side effect of a fantastic beard. So thanks for watching, man. I'm Frank, man, babybeardclub.com. Have an awesome day.